All right, what's up, guys? This is Aiden. This is my '93 Toyota, my rock crawler. We got $50 of the tubing, $25 muffler, and some hangers off of Amazon. We made a custom exhaust today. The old exhaust was kind of janky, so we ended up making something a little bit better. So it was cut right at the cab. I wanted something that went all the way out the back. I don't really like those well, it wasn't even a side exit. It was just cut straight from the muffler. And so yeah, we did a cab back exhaust. Oh, got some Acorn's phone. But yeah, we'll get some footage of the exhaust and show you what I came up with. $70 worth of tubing off of Amazon. It's all 2.5 inch, supposedly stainless steel. 2 hangers to add on, so it's not shaking all over the place. Then we've got a 2.5 inch muffler as well. Hopefully it gets rid of the raspy sound, makes it a little bit more deeper and toned. We'll see. Alright, so this is what we got going on here. It's just drops right before the axle. So the plan is to cut it off here, somewhere around here. Then we're gonna run 2.5 inch piping up high, as high as we can, and it's just gonna drop out. It's gonna be kind of I think I'm gonna cut the exhaust at an angle because I'm gonna run a tubed bumper right around the back of this rig. So yeah, I think that's the way we're gonna do it. Because yeah, another thing too is that this it's got body lift on it. The body lift's coming off, so I can't go too high. Probably should take that off almost before I build it, but you know what? We're gonna do it. Inside of that. And then surprisingly, just running 245s and a straight long pipe to a 90 might actually work pretty good. We'll end up throwing a muffler in the middle, but I mean, that looks pretty good. And just to ruin your ears, we're gonna try and start it like this. We'll see what it sounds like. I'm curious. All right, here we are, guys. We got a straight pipe Toyota. Still has the cat. up with. There's the welds. Not the greatest, but looks pretty good. Should work. All right, so I didn't record a few things. So what I ended up doing was we'll start from the beginning. So I think we already saw, got this little janky setup going on here. I might end up cutting this off and then doing a full 2.5 inch. Cause I gotta fix this leak on the O2 sensor. So, I mean, that'll work for now. And then, so we've got this 45 that comes up here. I ended up trimming this 45 back 3 inches. And then now we just welded the muffler onto this pipe. And then we ended up taking that straight pipe, one of those long straight pipes, and we cut it and welded that to the muffler. And then, yeah, so the reason I trimmed back over there is because now we can lift that pipe up over there. And then we've got this going here. And then what my idea is now, kind of changed it up. We're gonna put this 40 or 90 degree on here. Let's see. Yep, 90 degree on there. 90 degrees gonna go out. And there, I made this little teardrop tip just with the Harbor Freight bandsaw over there. And that's gonna give us, kind of an exit like that. It's gonna exit out up there like that. Yeah, so I figured with the way the shackle moves, because it moves outward, I didn't want the exhaust to route here. It'd have to route all the way to the back, and I'm gonna run a tubed bumper. So I figured a rock, like if I'm going down off of rocks, it'd end up crushing it. It might not have, but I'm gonna run a 2x3 subframe or little bar across here to hook up I'm just gonna do a singular tubed bumper. So I think for right now, our best bet is to just do this. And then if I need to, I'll end up putting a longer pipe and running it out the back. But kind of like how this might look with the pipe should exit around there. So we'll see. All right. This is after already a couple 100 miles. It's all holding up. Not as clean and shiny as it was, but there it is. After a trip out in the mud. And so that's where had to cut and weld in a little pipe piece right there. Instead of just running it straight back. Other than that, not much changes were made. Well, I guess since I did modify that, I ended up having to bring the tip further in. Other than that, pretty much how it is. I didn't get to record the entire build. I was kind of slacking. I was rushing it for Thanksgiving, but that's how it came out. Alright guys, I want to just thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you want to see any other videos like this, or you guys got any ideas. I'm just doing mostly recording just the builds. I don't really know what else I have. I haul stuff and I go off-roading. I don't know if you guys would be interested in watching any of that. You can comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and have a good one.